I'm going to talk about the attributes of 5 types of water: creeks, rivers, ponds, lakes, and swamps. In rivers and creeks, rising water often incites fish to bite. Here, fish often lay in the slack water provided by pools, current breaks, dugouts behind water flowing over rocks, other underwater structure, or in the shade provided by overhanging limbs. Many fish migrate to mudflats and deep pools in the winter, scatter in the spring to spawn, lay in shallow current breaks and pools in the summer, and move into feeding positions in fall. In swamps, whatever fish can survive winter kill are scattered uniformly throughout the structure of the vegetation, as it is shallow throughout the body of water. In ponds and lakes, the fish move accordingly to the amount of dissolved oxygen and the water temperature. Fish will stay in the upper layer of water, known as the epimelion, the middle layer, known as the thermocline, or the bottom layer of water, known as the hypomelion, according to the season and the fish's preference of oxygen and temperature. Also, lake fertility affects the degree of algal bloom, determining whether cold water, cool water, or warm water fish are best suited for that water. Another big factor affecting fish location is spawning, which is most often in spring, where the fish move shallow. Also, especially in fall, the fish feed heavily and chase their food sources, which are often hiding in the shallows, as well as in vegetation, rock, and wooded structure.